Welcome to this episode of We Will Rock You. I just want you to know, I got wood. I got hardwood. Super hardwood. Some might even call it Eden Valley Petrified wood. And we're going to go ahead and cut some of this shit. You want to see us cut them open? Huh? It's like surgery, but on rocks. I looked at these, and these two, I can't bring myself to cut open in a way. Just because of what they look so damn cool. Like, that's straight up a chunk of wood. You can tell that. I'm not going to gut him. I'm just going to keep him. This guy here, right? He's definitely a chunk of wood. But boom, look at that. It quartz. That is the bark of said tree. Now quartz. Got all kinds of quartz shit going on. It's just too cool. I almost don't even want to mess with it. If I did mess with it, I'd probably cut it and make it into pendants or something. But those two are off limits. No one touching those babies. These ones, on the other hand, no, we're going to cut them to pieces. We're going to cut them right up. They deserve it. What's this little guy? He looks like a little branch too, doesn't he? I almost wonder if we should leave him. I'm not sure what we can do with him. We can just straight make him a pendant the way he is. That's what we'll do. I got a friend that apparently likes petrified wood. Maybe we'll make a pendant or something. A petrified wood pendant. And then I can go ahead and say I put my wood around his neck. Alright, so next. We're going to cut this guy open. He's pretty agate. He's pretty woody. We're just going to go side to side. We're going to see what happens. It's going to be quartzy in there. I can tell. Alright. Let's see what we got with this little guy. Oh, it's almost like agate.
Oh, wow.
It's almost like an agate little piece of woody thing.
That's interesting.
That's cool. That's cool. This will definitely...
That's not what I was expecting to come out of that.
Not at all I was expecting either. This will definitely become a pendant of some sort or something. So, while we're at it, shameless plug, check out our Etsy shop. Check out our Whatnot shop. Check out eBay.
We will rock you, WN.
Yeah, we will rock you, WN. Or you can just go to all my links. allmylinks.com/we will rock you. And you'll find all our stuffs. And you can buy our stuffs. And then you can support my rock addiction. I appreciate you. You're kind of enabling me, but it's okay. I give you permission. Once again, just kind of weird, like little limb. We're just going to go side to side again. I was thinking, they don't support this rock addiction that we got going on. Then we're going to end up on one of those shows. But people that end up on those shows are like,
addiction?
yeah, something like that. But they're in a bad place. Like if they helped us and we make good money off of rocks and could sell these rocks, then our addiction wouldn't be so strange. It wouldn't be frowned upon as much. Make us more acceptable by society, please. Here's a rock to look at while you do. Oh, what the hell? Oh my gosh. Did not expect that. Holy shit. This is just one of those, this is a polish it up specimen-y thing, I guess, because I really don't know what you do with that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's just... What do you do with this thing? It's kind of cool. Like, it's a specimen-y thing. I think if I cut it, it'd start breaking to pieces. But, a little rock. You can buy said little rock. We will sell little rocks to you. You like rocks? We like rocks. Alright, this is another, little limb thing here. And part of me wants to cut it down this way, because I feel like there's cool stuff inside. And the other part of me is like, that backside is ugly as sin. We should cut that off. But, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Yell at your screen. Tell us what you think. It won't help, but it's good to do. Better than a pillow. Alright, little rocky buddy. Let's see what we got going on. They're actually kind of interesting. They're very quartzed. Very quartzy wood. Very quartzy wood. Alright. A couple more to go. Oh. Alright, so this is more wood. I think this one's going to be pretty mossy. I think we're just going to cut a chunk out like so. Zoop, 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 zoop. We're just going to cut a corner off. Alright, this one felt like a big chunk of clay or something weird. I don't know. What we got going on? Oh, oh!
Ooh, it's agate.
It's agate and pretty, and look at the bands, and the wood bands, and the agate bands, and the wood bands, and the agate bands, and all the bands. Those have bands that might make her dance. I'm just saying. I don't know.
Fancy maker dance. Fancy maker dance.
Well, that's kind of cool. I like that one. I did not expect that one. We got one more to go. One more!
Uno más.
Yeah, uno más on the Eden Valley Petrified wood. Alright. I think I'm going to cut my wood this way. I'm going to cut the wood this way. Last wood. Let's do it. Alright. Last one. Is this going to end on a high or end on a dry? Since this is hard petrified wood, we hope it ends on a wet. But, let's see what we get. Oh, it's a high. It's a high. We'll take it.
It's definitely a high.
We'll take it as a high. It's definitely a high.
That's gorgeous.
Here, look at this while I stare at this. Holy shit. Look at the little agate stuff up there. Man. Man. Buddy.
Stunning.
Buddy. It's not like icky like filler or nothing either. It's all just glossy. She's getting some polishings. Definitely getting some polishings. And going on an Etsy place. So you can go ahead and buy it because we really need to start selling these damn rocks because we have so many rocks and this was the last of the rocks that we bought. I'm still Terry from the block. But you could help me be, I don't know, a murderer of more rocks. That's just what it is. You can help me kill more rocks. It'd be fun. We'll cut them up. You can watch. You can laugh. You can giggle. You can enjoy it. You frickin' psycho. Alright, so apparently that's just where I ended that because outros are kind of overrated, I guess. But enjoy this beautiful petrified wood. Let us know what we should do with it in the comments. And until next time, Rock Fam, deuces.